Hello, welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Caitlin, the Sallie Tomato social media director. Welcome to day 4 of our 2025 Hearth and Handcrafted Advent Box. It's time to get making with some of the versatile items you have already received. You'll want to grab some of your small pieces of cork for this item. It's so sweet you'll want to make more than one. Jean is a supportive Sallie Tomato customer that sent us a package of these adorable pouches as a gift, and we love them so much that we decided to share them with everyone. This mini bag pattern is perfect for everyday use or for gifting. Pair it with the fireside plaid cork from day 2 and the number 3 zipper from day 3 for a finished look that's both stylish and functional. This pattern is beginner friendly, yet offers room for creative flair and can be customized in oh so many ways. From first aid kits and jewelry, hair ties or gift cards, coupled with classic faux leather or printed cork designs, this project can be used for truly endless applications. We hope this inspires you to make a bag that's uniquely yours. If you are loving what you are seeing, there might still be a few Advent boxes left on our website, so don't miss your chance. And if we've sold out, sign up for our newsletter below to get early access when the 2026 Advent box launches. Please share and show off your photos of your completed Jean projects. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.